Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge A-Level Information Technology Paper 4 Practical for Specimen 2022. I'll be doing the animation task. The previous two tasks, data dictionary and graphics, has already been done and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. Animation task starts from step 6. In an animation application, set a canvas size to 500 pixel by 400 pixel. I'm using Adobe Animate for the animation. Open Adobe Animate, click on Create New. (500 by 400 pixel). And I have set the frame rate to 30. Open demo.swf in your browser or a suitable player. You are required to create a similar animation as follows. This demo is a flash file. It will not open directly now. We'll just drag this to the animation task and then we can view it. So this is how it looks like. The background color changes and the text should be displayed in such a way. So this is how our animation should look like. The P-frame image must fit the canvas with a background that transitions over 7 seconds from light blue to a pink and to a red. So the color combinations of these three colors are given here. So it will take 7 seconds for this transition. That means when it begins, it will be this color, light blue. In the half time, it will be the pink color, and when it is ending, it will be red color. And the frame should be shown like this. So first let us add the frame. This is the P-frame image. So drag it here. Right click, transform, rotate it to landscape orientation. It must match the size of the frame. So let's give the width and height to 500 by 400 pixels. So the frame size matches the size of the canvas. Next, the background color should change from blue to pink to red. So let's add the animation here. So this frame is the background and the color transition should last for 7 seconds. So let's insert the frame still 7 seconds for the frame. Now add a new layer. So this is the frame layer. Rename the layers so that it's easy for you to understand. Next one, color change. So in order to do this color transition, I'm going to use a shape tween. So first we'll use a rectangle. Choose a rectangle. The fill color must be, first color is a light blue color whose values are given here, 100, 255 and 255. The stroke must not be there. Remove the stroke and the fill color. Click here. You can enter the red, blue and green values. So 100, 255 and 255. Give OK. Draw the rectangle. So when it reaches half the time, that means at 3.5 seconds, it is 3.5, this frame 105. So insert a keyframe there, insert keyframe. And now let's change the color. It must be 255, 150 and 200. 255, 150 and 200. Give OK. Now let's give a shape tween. Insert, create shape tween. Now when you play this, you can see that light blue changes to pink when it reaches half time. Now same way, at the end of 7 seconds, insert a keyframe, change the color. The color is given as 210, 50 and 50. Two 110, 50 and 50. Give OK. Now just like we did before, insert a shape tween here. Now when you play this, you can see it changes from pink color to the red combination which is given. So the color transition is done. Now the text Mediterranean sunsets must take 3 seconds to rise to the position shown while flipping on a horizontal axis. The text must be 30 point red in font similar to this one. So let us add a new layer for the text. Add a new layer. Rename it as text 1. So from the beginning, take the text tool. The first text is this one. You can see it is red color. Let us set it as 30 point. And the font is monotype cursiva. You can select the fonts from here and check the one which is matching. When the text appears at the beginning, it is in the upside down position. So let us first convert this to symbol as we need to animate this text. So right click, convert to symbol, give OK. Now right click, go to transform, flip vertical. Now after 3 seconds, it must reach the center of the frame. So let us keep it in the center. And it must be visible properly. So right click, go to transform, flip vertical. Now let's add an animation. Insert classic green. Now you can play this. After that, the text by Ivan Ali must then take 2 seconds to rise to the position as shown. So same way, let us add another layer. This is text 2. So at this position, let's type by Ivan Ali. Same way it should appear. So right click, convert to symbol, give OK. Now flip vertical. After 2 seconds, that means at the 5th second, it must be in the middle of the frame below this text. So let us bring it here. Insert the animation. Now for the third text. The text at Pambaro Gallery must then take 2 seconds to rise to the position without any rotation. The text must be black but in the same font and same size. So at this point, we have to insert the text. At Pambaro Gallery, but it must be black color. The size and font is same and there is no rotation. So let us convert this to symbol. And at this point, it should rise to this position. Let's insert the animation. So now the animation looks like this. Next, save the animation as art show followed by your center number and candidate number. So let us save this file, export as animated GIF, art show. So we have saved the animation. Next one, the olives.jpg must enter the frame from the left to fill the frame in 3 seconds. You can see it should fill the frame in this way. Repeat this process with headland.jpg and bay.jpg images. Each image must take 3 seconds. So we need 3 seconds for 3 images. So totally 9 more seconds are required. So you can see here we have this at the 7th second. Let us add 9 more seconds, 7 plus 9. So till 16 seconds we need. So let us add all the frames till 16 seconds. Now we need to add the image 1 on a new layer. So that will start from here. So first image is olive. Drag the image here at the 7th second. Let us rename the layer as image 1, or you can name it with the image name olives. So you can keep it here. First let us create the animation. So after 3 seconds, that means at the 10th second, the image must completely cover the frame. So at the 10th second, you have to keep it this way. Let us insert an animation. Classic green, convert to symbol. Now if you play, you can see the image moves this way. Now the image should appear only inside the frame. For that we will create a mask. So add a new layer. Mask 1 I will name. Now draw a rectangle inside the frame. So this is a rectangle inside the frame. Now right click and then set it as a mask. Once you set it as a mask, the image will appear only in that area. Now when you play this, you can see the image comes only in the frame area. Same way we have to add other 2 images. So add a new layer. Next image is headland. So it should start from the 10th second. So after 3 seconds, that means at the 13th second, the image must cover the frame. Now let's insert animation. Now let us add a mask here. Set this rectangle as a mask. This is mask 2. One more image is left. Add a new layer. The bay image, so drag it here. Now we have to keep it here at the end of the animation. Let's add the animation. So this is bay image. Next you need to insert mask for this. So mask 3. So now let us play the whole animation from the beginning. The animation must restart from the beginning. So we have to loop the animation, save it as artwork followed by your center number and candidate number. So let us export this. It is looping. Save. It must be saved as artwork followed by your center number and candidate number. So this is the end of the task and end of the paper. All other tasks have been uploaded. You can find the link in the description. Please keep watching. Thank you for now.